Hey, welcome to All Purpose Vegan Chronicles, and I am here with Kneemk, and he's going to let you know what we're doing here today.
Yeah. Hey, my name is Kneemk, Shropshire Boykin. I'm the Horticulture Program Coordinator here at Atlanta Technical College. We have a hands-on Atlanta orchard planting. So Patricia is one of the volunteers. Thank you for showing up and showing out. But yeah, so basically what we're doing, we're starting an orchard here. So this is like a little 5-acre site where we're going to be, where the horticulture program is going to plant. And we're going to start an orchard here. We're also going to be doing some soil production as well as planting and also as well as planting a bunch of other air prune beds and things to be able to produce a lot of trees in a very small area, even though we have a really big area, as you can see. So essentially what we're going to be doing, we're going to take this food and use it for the community. Basically, we're going to give it to students that are in need, students that are in need, that are hungry. When they're coming here to Atlanta Tech, they're actually going to be able to get their education, but also at the same time, stay fueled and full of nutrition while they're doing it at the same time. So we live in a food desert, food swamp here. It's actually as a result of food apartheid. So it's actually designed to be this way. So actually we're combating that specifically by planting food.
Wow. That was amazing. I always love following Kneemk. Actually, Kneemk and Amiko in my other videos are two of the people that helped me get into gardening and actually helped me start the whole process in my property. So anytime I'm able to link up with these guys, it is a pleasure. So let's get started.
Sweet.
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And essentially you just want to build a cereal bowl, y'all. So you want your whole width to be about double the size of your pot. So you should be able to sit this in here and it should be about the same size around or double that size around it. And in depth, it's kind of talking back to what Kneemk was talking about earlier about how deep you want to go. Every plant's different, but for the plants we're doing today, you probably want to get about a depth the size of your shovel. Okay, so you just kind of want to dig in there. Sorry if it takes me a while. Keep the soil as close as you can, because this shit's going back in. We ain't got no soil to be playing around with. I just take a spade or a shovel, whatever you call it, and I kind of just, I throw it in there and I hit it around just to kind of loosen up those roots. And just kind of,
you're not going to damage it.
Yeah. Okay. Don't be scared. I mean, be a little careful. Don't tear it up, but don't be scared to mess it up. And it doesn't have to be like all the roots are flowing and beautiful and out. It can look a little something like this and it'll be okay. Now, you can still get the roots out of there, y'all. But just for the sake of the demonstration, you want to put that in there, and you essentially want to start shoveling your dirt back around. This is a rough demonstration, y'all. Bear with me. Essentially, you want to get that back in the ground. It's looking pretty over here. It's really rough. Imagine I did that better, and then that's going to be done for right now. Then what we're going to do, y'all, after we get all of these things in the ground, we got some bags of mulch. We also got a big old pile of mulch over there. We're essentially going to be mulching our plants after that and giving them a nice little pretty house around. And then we're going to water it. That'll be the end of our planting today. I just talked a lot. Any questions?
Great job.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So you can put them there. You just put them right at those flags. You said you have one extra? One extra boot? Oh, a fig. Okay, there it is. Cool. The fig is very special. The fig is going to go right over here. Fig.
Whose house is that?
Great question.
Oh my God. That was so random.
I do not know whose house that is.
Holy cow.
Maybe I should put the fig over there. I know.
Oh my God.
Like, when I first saw this house, I was kind of scared to walk over here. I was kind of very scared to walk over here.
This is insane. They are so lucky. My God.
We're gonna put this fig right here. Yeah. Bop. It's gonna get nice and big underneath these trees, and it gets enough sunlight during the day. Sweet. All of these right here are all pomegranates. One through 8 is pomegranates, and then after number 8, it can go either pear, apple, apple, pear, but we're just gonna alternate apple, pear, until they're all in.
Who's this for?
For the students. It's for the students, and for also it's for the students first. And then as it grows, it'll be for the community. But for now, it's definitely for Atlanta Tech technical students, so that we can be able to combat a little bit of that food and food insecurity that we have here in on Southwest. And we're just gonna alternate pear, apple until, yeah. How many?
You're cool with them being planted on
the mound?
Yeah.
Yes. I think that's like perfect. I think it's perfect because it's like it makes it easier to plant if you're planting over here as opposed to.
There's not no dirt. I mean, no trash.
Yeah.
All right. So
I mean, there's a little bit of trash. Pear starting right here. So yeah. Pear, apple, pear. You can just alternate whichever one it is. Just put a different one. I forgot is it how many are there actually? I think it was 2 and 2.
I got a plum right here.
Oh, there's plum. I didn't even know that was a plum. Okay.
Plum, like 2 apples.
Okay.
You want to do the
Hey, that works. That works too. Yeah, we'll throw them in too. Beautiful. That's pretty. Yeah, man. Pear, apple, pear, plum, whichever. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just marking out where these plants are going.
Remember, you're mic'd. You don't have to yell.
Oh, okay. Okay. Eventually, I'm going to end up cutting down these trees so that we can be able to get some more sunlight. They look a little bit neglected. Also, they're pine trees. I am for the trees.
This stuff growing on is super aggressive. This is the one with the purple flowers.
Yeah, no, it's not kudzu. It's I think that's English ivy that's there.
So aggressive.
So it's like very it is very aggressive, and they haven't been taken care of for a while. They look like they're on their way out, and I will assist them. We will assist them. Oh, bet. Oh, wow. You got another fig? Okay. Shoot. Okay. I was just thinking, shoot, fig can go right there. Another fig can go right there because we're gonna end up cutting down these trees. Bam, 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 bam.
Fields. I don't even know what this is. It's so cool. It's like, so here is the group. Here's the clover. They're finding quartz. What did you find? More quartz. What are you gonna do with it? Put it in your house.
Yeah.
Energy.
That's great. That means the plant's gonna grow real nice.
This soil, I wish I could take this soil home to my garden. The soil is amazing. Jeez. Oh, yeah. Minus the plastic. But the soil is nice. Yeah. Better than my soil. Oh no, more plastic. Good job, good job. Let me go find another plant to plant.
Just want something simple like that. So that water. this way. Just want to replicate that for all of these big trees. But like I said, about 3/4 to a full bag of mulch. And if we run out of mulch, we got more mulch. And then we also got a big old ass pile of mulch over there. So have fun, y'all.
Yeah, I said I'm gonna leave it alone. Still try to pull it.
And we just clearing the path to the.
I end up having everything caving in over here, so it's a big old.
Okay.
He's grading it.
I can take some of this dirt.
This had some vines and some roots, and then our mulch pile back here. Just adding the mulch into the path. Still waiting on the water. We can water the trees that we planted already.
Think that's good enough?
Teamwork, teamwork.
Thank you.
You want this one done?
Yeah, I'll drop it.
So, Charles, you said you've been doing this for 4 weeks,
4 weeks.
and with who for 4 weeks?
Food well lines.
Oh,
I've been in the garden my whole life, but Food Well Alliance doing this 4 weeks now. Came from like a trash and litter background, and they're really connected. You know, the compost and waste and litter, all that is all in the same thing. And it kind of just enticed me to get into this field.
Is that the same people that do the compost at Truly Living Well? That compost pile back there?
Nah,
That's a different company?
They do Compost Now. I think
Okay.
that's Compost Now.
Okay.
But it's one of those composting organizations or businesses that, well, I did like trash, like waste, litter, watershed stuff.
Oh.
Trying to like keep the, really like more so like neighborhood waste versus composting, which is like natural waste, and like that's a whole different.
Tree wave path is done. So